This is the best time to grab some free money. And that's because the bull market is almost here, but we're at least still a little bit ahead of that. And right now it really does feel like airdrop season. There are so many projects right now that are so close to starting their airdrops. We have Layer 0, ZK Sync, and Starknet are some of the big ones that everyone seems to be excited about and waiting for. Check out our playlist, by the way, of airdrops that we update pretty regularly. We cover as many of these as we possibly can, at least the great projects that we're already fans of. And actually, we're going to be adding to that list with this video because my team and I have found some great new airdrops that you ought to be aware of, the biggest of which is dropping in just 4 days from the time of this video. Take advantage of this stuff while you can. It is free money. But again, the best advice that we have for you is to use a burner wallet when doing so. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest, whether that's with airdrops or otherwise. I genuinely wish you success. Just remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor, and therefore this video is not official financial or investment advice. If you're not already a part of Altcoin Buzz Alpha, you've been missing out because our performance, especially in October, has been stratospheric. Check this out. 35% profit in BTC, a 100% profit in our top mid cap, a 100% profit in our gems call, and $1,000 direct profit on the Celestia airdrop, plus $650 in profit on buy and sell calls. Taken together, this is almost a 200x ROI compared to the Altcoin Buzz subscription fee, which is only $15. If you want to get in on this action, check out our link in the description as well as the pinned comment information below. All right, kicking off our list, and at number 1 here is Linea, which is part of the Consensus family. And of course, this means big league. So for example, MetaMask also files under Consensus. Therefore, a blockchain built by Consensus ought to have your attention right off the bat. We're talking about a serious organization here. And it was only 4 months ago that Linea started their first campaign, which, by the way, I talked about more extensively in this video. Check that one out if you've not already. But fast forwarding to today, Linea has started a 6-week campaign on Interact. And this campaign has 10 waves and 10 core tasks. So without further ado, let's take a look at this in more detail. Okay, so the first 2 tasks are easy. We're talking about wave 0 here, which is good for 40 XP. You actually only need to complete social media tasks, and each task will grant you Linea Voyage XP. That is exactly what we're after here specifically, XP. Wave 1 is on MetaMask, and that ends on the 14th of November, so that's coming up pretty quickly. You need to bridge $20 worth of ETH to Linea. So my advice is to choose a cheap and fast chain, maybe something like Optimism or Arbitrum. You need the bridge on MetaMask portfolio, and then this is good for 100 XP. Once you complete the task, it takes 1 hour to verify, but after that hour or 60 minutes, you can claim your 100 XP. And there is an extra step, by the way, for 50 XP. Swap $5 in ETH to any other available cryptocurrency. You can do this in your extension. Verification here takes 25 minutes, and now you have the maximum 150 XP for Wave 1. Again, Wave 2 starts on the 14th of November and is about bridging and on-ramps. But while we're at it, I also want to remind you to not forget about Venom and Supra Oracles. We're going to include the links to Supra Oracles and Venom in the description below. They're also in advanced stages, but it's still not too late to join, so you can check that out if it's of interest to you. All right, at number 2 on our list here is RepubliK, which is all about supercharging the creator economy. It's a new social media platform that rewards its users, meaning you can gain rewards in the form of XP by being active on the platform. And every week you can turn this XP into the RPK token. The RPK token exchange listing is coming this Tuesday, again, 14th of November, so that's coming up pretty quickly. It has a max supply of 3 billion tokens, and you receive the RPK that you earn straight into your wallet, or if you prefer, you can withdraw it to an exchange. And this is where RepubliK is different from regular airdrops, because instead of giving you one airdrop at the token launch, you can get weekly airdrops. So for instance, RepubliK lets you easily post your TikTok videos to their platform. So to stay active, you can, for example, interact with content from other creators, get likes for your own content, Use the referral or content links and get people to sign up through your links and get daily login streaks. These reset every 7 days. You can also get more privileges by unlocking more XP levels. This allows you to attend special events or even get multipliers. Next up, and at number 3 on our list here for today, is Fuel, which is the fastest modular execution layer. It's a layer 2 solution built on Ethereum, and the chain dates back to 2020 and was the first optimistic rollup on Ethereum. The project already raised $81.5 million. So an airdrop is likely, not guaranteed of course, but likely. And currently Fuel is on testnet beta 4. Getting right into the tasks here that you're going to have to complete. First, you're going to want to install the Fuel wallet. Go to the faucet and request testnet Ethereum. You're going to receive 0.5 ETH. And look, just in case you're unaware, this is not real ETH, so don't get too excited. But you can use the faucet more than once. Tasks come and go, and currently not too many tasks are available. But we do recommend that you keep an eye out on their X account or go to their Discord server, because of course that's where you'll find updated information regarding new tasks. But I did find some that I'll share with you here. Go to Zeely and complete the tasks that you can find here. Again, I'll include this in the description below. Note that Fuel's native bridge is now open. You can send funds between the Ethereum Sepolia network and Fuel's Beta 4 testnet. And this means that you need to connect an EVM wallet and your Fuel wallet. This took us only a few seconds. However, sending funds from Fuel to Ethereum can take up to 6 hours. So just keep that in mind. All right, and finally here, last but not least on our list at number 4 is Zora. Zora, which is another layer 2 built on Optimism. And it's an NFT marketplace. They raised no less than $60 million, which at least to me suggests an airdrop is likely. Okay, so before you can do anything here, you're going to need to add the Zora chain to your EVM wallet. Go to Chainlist, connect your wallet, look for Zora, and add the chain. Now, bridge some ETH over to Zora with the official Zora bridge. This is from mainnet, so expect gas fees to be in the maybe $2 to $6 range. Or alternatively, if you prefer, you can use the Orbiter bridge. Now, go to mint.fun and look for free mints. Other mints are also very cheap, and you can probably help yourself out a little bit by changing the gas setting in MetaMask. In order to mint NFTs for only 2 cents, set Gwei in MetaMask to 0.0001. And then also don't forget to mint some NFTs on the official Zora site. Look for any collection and just click mint. Don't mint 20 or 30 NFTs on one day and leave it be. A better strategy, in my opinion, and my personal recommendation, is to visit both sites probably a few times in a week, spread things out, and each day just mint yourself a couple of NFTs each time. If you're still watching, I wish you the best of luck with these potential airdrops. Again, don't forget to use a burner wallet. It's simply a best practice when you're dealing with this kind of stuff. Good luck.